In this dataset, over 35,000 high school students were polled in the United States. The poll took place in 2018. They were asked 4 questions related to mental health. Data came from all 50 states and Washington, D.C. Results are broken up into U.S. regions: Northeast, South, Midwest, and West, with the following states. A link with more info is in the description. The first question was, how often are you stressed? And there were 35,878 responses. 45% said all the time, 37% said sometimes, 13% said rarely, and 6% said never. All US regions had the same ordering, and responses were typically within 3% of each other. Most answers came from the South and West, with over 10,000 responses each. The second question was, what stresses you out the most? There were 34,881 responses. 27% said relationships, 25% said teachers, 21% said other, 14% said parents, 10% said college, and 4% said friends. Similar to the previous slide, the ordering did not change when broken down by region, and there was not much variation among answers. The third question was, what are you most likely to do when stressed? There were 33,306 responses. 22% said talk to friends. 20% said eat. 17% said do nothing. 16% said other. 14% said work out. And 11% said drugs/drinking. Responses did not vary much when broken down by region. The last question was, what resources do you use to help? There were 31,279 responses. 45% said apps/online resources. 35% said nothing. 14% said other. And 5% said their therapist. Responses did not vary much when broken down by region. Here is some information missing from the dataset that could have been useful. The data does not specify what sometimes or rarely entails. Common or expected options such as gaming, art, TV, and sleep are simply lumped into other or nothing. For more information, a link to the dataset is in the description.